Today, we're diving into the fascinating English idiom, bend over backwards. Ever wonder where it comes from or what it really means? To bend over backwards is to go to great lengths to help someone. It's about making extra efforts, even when it's not easy or convenient. The origin of this idiom is quite literal. It evokes images of acrobats or gymnasts bending their bodies in extreme ways to impress. Let's see this idiom in action with some examples. Imagine your friend is moving to a new house this weekend. You know they're stressed, so you bend over backwards to help, taking time off work to assist them. Or consider a teacher preparing for an open house. They bend over backwards to create engaging displays and ensure everything runs smoothly. In the workplace, a manager might bend over backwards to ensure an employee feels valued, perhaps by adjusting their role to suit their strengths. Lastly, think of customer service. A company might bend over backwards to resolve a complaint, offering discounts or free services to the dissatisfied customer. Understanding idioms like bend over backwards enriches our communication, making it colorful and effective. Keep exploring language, and you'll keep discovering its beauty. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.